Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we have the Lovelula box. Now then, this is £13.99 a month, and it is a recurring monthly subscription. But it's coming up on my screen saying you can have 15% off your first order plus an Argan face oil, which is worth £9.50. Now I do recommend that. That is a really good Argan oil. So yeah, to get your 50% off and free gift, you just go simply to the lovelula.com webpage and you sign up for the newsletter, and you will get 15% off and plus a free gift. So it's worthwhile doing. So just sign up to that, because you really wouldn't want to miss out on 50% off. It really does make it literally pennies. So it's not really that expensive, right? So this is what comes in. It comes in just this normal white cardboard box. It is very plain. I know it's not really a nice looking box, but that's what they could improve on, but it's okay. It's the contents that matter, not the side of the box so much. Remember that, contents matter. Right, okay, so we are going to pull out the first product. It is, oh my gosh, this is heavy. It says, infuse my colour. It's a treat for intense hydration, protection and shine. I am sure that that is for the hair. So there we go. You see it? You see it? Sorry for the lighting in here today. It's really bad lighting, but this is for the hair. I'm sure of it. Yes, it's got to be. But it's made in the USA. It does say that it doesn't say anything about cruelty free or anything like that. It does say our unique vegan silicone free formula provides superior weight loss, hydration, nutrition, not nutrition. It means nourishment and colour protection, enriched with narwhal extract, tangerine butter and sunflower seed extract for detangling shine. No parabens in this, gluten free. Oh, it's not tested on animals. So there, it's a good one. Right, okay, so I will pull out the items, then we'll have a little play with them. That's the way I do it. It's the way I unbox, and it always works out better, because you want to see them, don't you? So, right, we don't want to see that, so we'll just put that to one side for the minute. And then I pull out another item. Oh, wow, I hope this is a face mask. Just see what you... This is the Chubbs Organic Beauty Store Face Mask Pack. Oh my, I'm looking forward to this. Right, okay, so it is made in South Korea. And I can't understand the back of it because it's all in Korean writing. Oh, there is an English bit about it. The English bit says Aloe Mask Pack. Aloe Mask Pack. After cleansing, use toner to refine the skin texture. Take out the mask from the package and spread evenly over the entire face, avoiding the eye lip area. Remove the sheet after 10 to 20 minutes and gently just pat the skin dry. So really a nice face mask, you think. So quite good. I do like that. Right, okay, so the next item is, it's going to be John Masters Organic Orange and Rose Garden Hand Cream. That's definitely a sample. This box is absolutely jam-packed this month, full of stuff. So we've got an organic hemp balancing face oil, and we have got another sample, loss of elasticity skin renewer. I'm going to have to take some of this out because I can't get to the other items. in this box. We have got a Bam Bam Tea Tree. So this is the Bam Bam Tea Tree Maluka. I think it's an oil. Right. So then we've got this, which is the Apple and Bears Bergamot Green Tea Hair Body Wash. I'm sure we've had that before. Positive of it. Let me know in the comments if you've seen me unbox that one before. I'm sure of it. Right, okay, so then this is the card. Oh, it just tells you a bit about the Lovelula club that's on Facebook. So go and check them out. Pretty good. Right, so that is the end of this month's box. As you see, it is totally empty. So we're just going to go now and have a look at these items and probably play with the items. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Right, so it says save 20% off the brands in this box. We've got Hair Care, All Bam Bam, Delancey, John Masters, Apple and Bears and Chubbs. Simply use the code BBJuly18 and it's valid until the 10th of August. So what is in this box this month? Right, so this is the My Hair Care. It doesn't tell you the price, but I will put the price of the products in the description box down below. But this month's box is worth £53. So remember, I pay £13.99 and that's what I pay. And that's including postage P&P. So I got a bargain because this is £53 worth of product. Right, okay, so, oh, smells like oranges. Oh wow, it's a really, really nice scent. I'm just showing you it there. It's like a really, really clean scent. It's like a mix between an orange and a lavender scent. It really has a lovely scent to it. So this is the Intense Hydration, Protection and Shine Vegan, and I'm so looking forward to using that on my hair. It really is gorgeous. So that will be a nice sort of product to put on. Oh, it's just lovely. I can't stop smelling it. It's like, I really love that scent. Wow, I do love it. So there we go. Right, okay, so we're going to move on to the next item. Although I'm in love with that item already because of the scent of it. Right, so, oh, oils of hemp. Right, now then. This is how to use organic hemp for balancing face oil. So it is 2 to 3 drops that you use, and you massage it into the skin in circular motions, like so, and yeah, it may be used underneath your makeup. Hemp oil is suitable for dry or night care, as well as the skin prone to acne and oiliness. Right, okay, so I like this dropper bottle it comes in, and I'm just going to put 2 to 3 drops of it. Other these I put a bit more. It has no scent at all, so I'm just going to rub it in and warm it up a little bit, and then I'm going to apply it and rub it in circular motions. Oh, now I can smell it. It is it's not really a strong, potent smell. It's a quite calming, nice scent. I could put up with that. So I'm just going to do the other cheek, because I don't really think you need to warm this one up. So I'm just going to put it on like so in circular motions. It really is very hydrating. I do like it. It really is hydrating. See it just there? I was giving it a nice, quite nice shine to the skin. So that means it's really hydrating it. Really good. I like that. So up to now, I like most of these products that's in this box. Really is a good box this month. Well done, Lovelula. Right, so I'm going to put the top back on that before I spill it. And then we're going to move on to whatever next is on this list. So the next one is Balm Balm. And this is a wonderful emollient, natural, organic balm. Suitable for all skin types. It's so gentle that it can be used on babies too and grown-ups as well. So it's that gentle is this one. And it just says it's a tea tree balm balm. It is 100% emollient. It's 100% natural. It's organic, suitable for all skin types. It's a multi-purpose, super concentrated blend of oils, waxes infused with tea tree. You know how good tea tree oil is. So yeah, I'm expecting this to be super good. So let's just have a look at it. Right, okay, so we've got a tube like that. And it just says tea tree. And it comes in this type of there it is there. Oh my, that is like really hydrating the skin. Look at the shine. You can tell it's a good one by what it does like that. It is really a strong smell. I wouldn't put that around the eye area. It is really a strong smell, but I would suppose that would make actually quite a good moisturiser. Maybe it's from around here. You know, your décolletage, I think that's what they call it, or pure and simple neck. Oh yeah, that is really hydrating and very nice. Oh, the scent of it's gorgeous. I love that. Really good stuff. As you can see, I love my moisturisers. I love nice smells. And that's what I quite like. Right, okay, so we're moving on to the next item that we got, which is the Dalchami sample. I don't need to open that, but that's what we got. So then we got the John Masters organic hand cream. And then we're going to move on to this, which is the Apples and Bears. I'm sure I got this in the box before, but this is it. It's not really a scent of apples I was getting. It's not really overpowering, but that is it. We'll see what it's like. Then we got a, what is it? The Chubbs face mask. I'll probably do a video on this and let you see what it's really like. So we got that. Then we got, that is it. So yeah, so that is the end of the unboxing for Lovelula. Right, so now what I'm going to tell you now is I've actually been sorting out the names for the 500 subscriber. I'm going to give you a quick run through. You have until tomorrow to get your entries in for the Medusa makeup box. So up to now I've got Mrs. Munchin 82, Taylor Parker, Charmed Wench, Helsbeth Loves, Life in High Definition, Sarah's, that's her name, I can't pronounce it, and it is Leila Aguaya. So I will just actually show you the name. There we go, you see it. and Alicia Swallow. And yeah, so that's what I've got up to now. If you want to enter, make sure you do, because it really is a good box. So that's it for now. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!